Good medical morning. I'm your host, Adam, and today we've got some fascinating medical clips to look at. Over the past few years, we've shown you some tremendous pimple pops, cysts, and cystic acne. But when these images were submitted, we didn't know if they were real or fake. So stick around because I have that answer coming up. Now, we've seen some large cysts before, like this one with 26 million views. It's called Operation Kill George, and it includes a medical professional removing a large keratin-filled cyst off an individual's back. Now, in my opinion, they look a bit more like this cystic acne on this individual's face. Let's take one final look and determine if it's cystic acne, lesions, or something else. So after a little research on the internet, I was able to determine that the work comes to us from DeviantArt, which is normally a site reserved for Photoshop, but in this case, it was done by a talented special effects and makeup artist. She was putting together a costume for her boyfriend for Halloween that she wanted to look like the movie Planet Terror. Monique is a talented special effects artist from Canada. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of her other work from her website. She does everything from prosthetics, to makeup, to adding hair. Here's an example of a witch she did for Halloween. Pretty cool, right? Go ahead and click like for her work, and if you watched this far into the video, go ahead and click that subscribe button. You're going to love our channel. Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I gotta show you these fantastic extractors and what makes them better than the competition. Now, first off, this is a large case. A lot of the competitors have the same images, but they're at 3/4 scale, so you get a tiny little product. Now, inside, you're gonna get a variety of extractors. Now, something nice about this is that they are of medical grade steel, okay? These are fantastic. And they are going to be designed to not spread bacteria. Now, you get 7 total extractors and the high quality case. That's a bonus. The case and the extractors are stored in an air conditioned facility in the United States that is going to keep them hygienic. A lot of overseas competitors put them on a ship overseas. They don't have them hermetically sealed, and molds, fungus, all sorts of things can grow on the extractor while they're stored for years at a time overseas. These ones are straight out of the United States. You can see the gripping material here, and each one is inspected for quality. That's another aspect. A lot of the competition are going to give you ones with busted zippers, 3/4 size, or if you look closely, you'll be able to see bacteria on them. Like you can see mildew and mold. These ones are fantastic, brand new, and of high quality. Now, there's a variety of loops in here. You have your the equivalent of like a Schomburg extractor, which is the type that Dr. Sandra Lee uses. That one's really nice. You have a bunch of different options. You can see each side, so there's 14 different sides here. Plus, on top of all that, there's going to be what is my favorite. This is the Lancet. Let me see if I can get that to focus for you. There we go. The Lancet itself is going to allow you to puncture those larger punctums and really pop the big stuff. All right, now you've got 7 different extractors, including a spade, which is going to be good for like cleaning your pores around your nose. Just press this around your nose, and you have the bigger extractor tool right here as well. Again, sorry, I'm trying to get it to focus for you. There you go. So you get a variety of tools, each one with two sides, this thicker handle here, high quality, and something that is shipped right out of the USA, Amazon Prime, and available for you. Again, medical grade steel, air conditioned facility, full size professional quality tools, high quality zipper, the genuine case. This can't be beat. So if you're looking for a great set of extractors, folks, go ahead and pick these up. You won't be disappointed. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. You're gonna love them.